Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Federated Learning, Training AI Models on Decentralized Data, Privacy Preserving AI. Imagine you want to train a model to recognize cats in photos. Normally, you'd collect all the photos into one giant database. But what if that's impossible due to privacy concerns? Federated Learning lets you train the model using data scattered across many different devices, phones, computers, without ever moving that data. Think of it like lots of mini trainings happening simultaneously, and then the results get combined safely. Let's say your app has millions of users, each with private photos. You can't just copy all those pictures to your servers. That violates privacy laws and user trust. Federated Learning solves this by keeping the data on the user's devices. 1. Local training. **** Each phone trains a tiny model on its own photos. 2. Model aggregation. **** Only the updates to the tiny models, not the pictures themselves, are sent to a central server. 3. Global model update. The server combines these updates to improve the overall cat recognizing model. 4. Repeat. **** Steps 1 to 3 repeat until the model is accurate enough. Imagine you want to bake the perfect cake, but everyone has a secret ingredient. Each user, bakes a small cake with their secret ingredient. You collect only a small sample of each cake and combine these samples to create the ultimate cake. Recipe. Model. You never see the full cake, original data, but you get the combined result. Increased privacy for users. Data stays on devices. Better model accuracy. More diverse data. And it works even with limited internet connectivity. Federated Learning is used in various applications like improving smartphone keyboards, predicting your next word, identifying diseases from medical images, and building better spam filters, all while respecting user privacy. Federated Learning isn't a silver bullet. It requires careful consideration of communication overhead, device heterogeneity, different phone models, and ensuring fairness in model training. To get started, you'll need to learn about machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow Federated, TFF. There are many tutorials and resources available online to help you understand and implement federated learning techniques. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.